Now we're going to write the equation of this line. So the first thing I want you to do is notice that the line does not cross right here at the origin. Okay, so it's not proportional. Okay, so we're not going to use y equals kx. We're going to use y equals mx plus b. Okay, this is non-proportional. So when we do that, we're going to go in and circle where the line crosses the y-axis. Okay, we call that the y-intercept. The y-intercept, which we also call b, just like when we take that table back to 0. So since these are not numbered, we're just going to kind of number these ourselves. So if you can see there, we'll call that 1, and we'll say that's 2. Okay, so 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the b is going to be 2. I would start with that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put that there for my equation. Now, if you remember, we have to find m. M is the constant rate of change. On a graph, we like to call it our slope. So m is the constant rate of change or the slope. Okay? So remember, we usually do delta y over delta x, but in this case, we're going to do rise over run. Now, if you want to make a table of these 2 points, you can do it that way, and you can still find the constant rate of change. Okay? But we're going to do rise over run. And if you remember, rise over run, we're going to go point to point. Okay, so I'm going to start at this point, and I'm going to go up, 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 making my slope triangle, triangle. And then I'm going to go over, 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 over to right there. Okay, so that's our slope triangle. Now, we have to find our rise and our run. Now remember, we decided each one of these sections, because I don't see numbers, we're going to say each section is 1. Okay, so I see one section, another section, and another section. 1, 2, 3. So I'm saying the height of that triangle as a 3. That would be a rise. Okay, then we're going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just double counting that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks right. So I'm running 4. Okay, so we have 3 over 4. And remember, the constant rate of change is always m. Okay, so in this case, it will not be k. So I'm going to put my m right here, 3/4. So my equation is y equals constant rate of change 3/4 x plus b, which is 2. Remember, because that's right here where the line crossed the y-axis. So we're going to fill that in right here. Y equals 3/4 x plus 2.